Welcome to Spring Boot class with iTeacher. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's educational video, we are going to understand the typical package structure of a Spring Boot application. If you are a beginner learning Spring Boot or a working professional building REST APIs or preparing for interviews, then understanding package structure is very important because a well-structured project is easier to maintain, scale, and debug. So let's start from the basics. In simple words, package structure is how we organize our project files. Spring Boot follows a layered architecture pattern where each layer has a specific responsibility. This separation improves code readability, maintainability, testability, scalability. At the top level, we have project application.java. We are given a Java class named now project application.java, annotated with @SpringBootApplication. The @SpringBootApplication annotation is a convenience annotation that combines three annotations. @Configuration indicates that the class has bean definitions. That is, it's a source of Spring Beans. @EnableAuto configuration tells Spring Boot to start adding beans based on class path settings, other beans, and various property settings. @ComponentScan tells Spring to look for other components, configurations, and services in the same package or subpackages as the current class. This annotation is typically placed on the main class of a Spring Boot application. The main method in this class will run the application. Example, let's create a simple Spring Boot application. Step 1. Create a main class named projectApplication.java.
In this demo, we'll ask our AI agent to create a simple REST controller. The controller will live in the same package so that it gets picked up automatically by component scanning. That means no extra configuration needed. Here's the magic part. We just provide the prompt in the description, and the AI takes care of the rest. Watch closely as I hit enter. Now let's wait while AI does its job. This is the beauty of automation. What used to take minutes or even hours now happens in seconds. And there it is, a fully functional REST controller ready to go, all generated by AI with just one simple instruction. All right, now that our AI has generated the REST controller, let's run the Spring Boot application. I'll use the command line here, but you can also run it directly from your IDE. This starts up the embedded Tomcat server, and by default, it runs on port 8080. Now let's open our browser and go to http://localhost 8080 hello, and there it is, our hello world message, served directly from the AI-generated REST controller. So with just one simple prompt, we got a working REST API endpoint up and running. AI wrote the code, Spring Boot handled the rest, and we're live on localhost 8080. If you like this demo, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered builds.